Hi, first grader. Welcome back. So today we're going to draw a picture of an oviparous animal. And remember, oviparous animal means that they lay eggs and they hatch from eggs. And so um, our oviparous animal that we're going to draw today is a turtle, a sea turtle specifically. So get a piece of paper out and you can pause this video in between steps to draw each, to have enough time to draw each piece. So let's start by drawing the shell. We need to make sure that we leave room for the head and the flippers. So a sea turtle shell is kind of shaped with a little point at the end. So we're going to draw a shell kind of like this. We got to make sure that we leave room for the head and the flippers. So I'm going to draw it maybe, I know I started big, but I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Here we go. Let's do it like this. Okay, there's the point. Just something like that. All right. And now I'm going to draw the head with just a little piece that comes up right here. So, awesome. And so after you're done drawing the head, we're going to draw two flippers that kind of point backwards like this. It's front flippers. So let's go ahead and draw those. So I'm going to do one right here. I'm going to do another one right here. Perfect. Okay. You know what? I'm actually going to erase this. Oops. I'm going to erase this one because I want it to aim a little bit more backwards. So like this. Here we go. So I'm going to have it actually do this. There we go. A little bit closer. Awesome. Now it looks like it's swimming. Perfect. Okay. All right. So now we're going to draw the back two flippers. So let's draw the back two flippers. So one that goes like this. Okay. And then the other one that goes like this. Kind of like a fin. All right. So those are all the flippers. And now I want to draw the eyes. So let's draw two eyes looking forward. And now let's draw the design on the shell and on the legs. So on the flippers, I'm going to go ahead and make just a couple of lines. You can too. We'll make these lines to show that they're kind of wrinkly. And then we can add a design on the shell. So this is where you can add the dots, maybe make these different colors, because turtles have a little design on their shell. All right, perfect. And now you can add a background, you can add water, whatever you'd like to add. So this is our oviparous animal, the turtle.